Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the stand's attributes and legal trade permissions. Do this immediately so you do not waste time. Once verified, propose concrete terms, exact price, any ability exchanges, and whether the trade is temporary or permanent. Make sure both parties agree on a neutral meeting place with a clear escape route and an escrow item or witness to hold collateral. This first movement sets protection, expectations, and prevents disputes. So be firm, precise, and document every commitment before proceeding to the exchange. Once both sides agree, initiate a controlled demonstration. Brief, supervised tests that confirm capability without full exposure. Then activate the escrow or binding sigil to lock terms. This prevents mid-transfer retraction. Proceed through the pre-agreed sequence. Payment first if escrow holds ability, or ability handshake first if payment is reversible, while you timestamp and record each step. If you notice discrepancies, pause immediately and revert to escrow. This methodical execution minimizes risk, clarifies timing, and preserves leverage for either party. After transfer, verify full control across 3 independent checks: activation, range, and safety limits, document outcomes and reset times for cooldowns. Then finalize paperwork, exchange receipts, and log the exact moment ownership changed. If anything fails, immediately trigger the contingency. Instruct escrow to revert assets, summon your witness, or deploy the emergency sigil agreed beforehand. Make sure you explain why each remediation works. That clarity speeds resolution and prevents escalation. Close by confirming both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.